Hello everyone, hello Lime Motors and Lime Performance customer. Today arrive BMW X5 2025 in package this car and full option. Let me show you this car. 2025, just starting price $35,000 starting price. Nice color, an excellent front bumper, need one headlight and front bumper. This car full option, 360 camera, laser headlight, head-up display, full option. Look at inside. Inside also nice. Airbag is opening. We can put this one same original airbag. And this car X5 X-Drive 2025, just starting price $35,000. This car today, this car in action.